Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying requirements and backing up important files. This avoids data loss. Next, insert an 8 GB or larger USB and ensure it's empty. Choose whether you want the media creation tool for a guided USB build or an ISO if you prefer manual Rufus-style flashing later. Once decided, run the chosen download on a stable internet connection. Make sure you have admin rights so the tool can write to the USB device. You'll now run the media creation tool and respond to prompts. Select language, Windows Edition, and x64 or x86, with x64 as the usual choice for Windows 11. Make sure to pick USB flash drive when asked, then select the correct drive letter to avoid erasing other devices. The tool downloads installation files and copies them to the USB. This may take 20-60 minutes depending on your connection. Once done, safely eject the drive to preserve file integrity. Restart the target PC and enter the boot menu or UEFI to boot from the USB installer. You may need to press F12, ESC, F2, or Del depending on the manufacturer. Follow the installer steps, choose Upgrade to keep files or Custom for a clean install, then select the target partition and proceed. Make sure drivers and updates finish post-install. If the PC won't boot the USB, check that Secure Boot and UEFI are configured correctly, and that the USB uses the proper partition scheme for UEFI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.